Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Hapa ni pepile tu wakasema nyemo ja gawana business ya bano tindayambe cha moneke mwalicho muta uzirenge namkola ni pamroma cha kwa moneke muta uzirenge mwalenesi ipo tiami na right honorable Daliso Kabame president wa chipani cha UTM berani kuti mupeleke modera sana. Igirani pamo sisi kala zaule muguti tubasile manja jonchi aji nyamara tengani kwa quick kuyankwira paka mene koko ndio kuti malemekezera kwambiri chifukwa katika kamuzo agana kamuzo akaya
apa. Bila mtu unaanza kusema yeye bwana. Okay, no. Ndio kana. Okay, thanks.
Chinde, our moderator, Right Reverend Dr. Mwale, Chinde, our General Secretary Rito, Right Reverend Dr. Tembo, Nasnodion, Sierra Estonia, Your Honor, the Vice President, Second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Enoch Chehana, Your Excellency, the former President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency, Dr. Lazarus Makati Chakwera, and Your Excellency, the former First Lady, Your Honor, the former Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Kumbo Bachari, all members of Parliament here present, all traditional leaders here present, all politicians here present, all faith groups here present, and indeed all of us from the Synod of Livingstonia. Ladies and gentlemen, Mondire Mose. Your Honor, the moderator, in the order one meeting, within the Kananu by General Assembly, ya forte ya Livingstonia sikwalero a Vice President atu olemekezeka Dr. Catherine Zumara MP ndi mwana wanu wa Livingstonia Synod komanso mu UTM tili ndi mamembers ambiri a UTM a Livingstonia Synod ineyo ngati president wawo limene udzakhala limodzi ananu pamene muli pa Synod pa General Assembly ya Synod ya tsiku la lero. Komanso mukumbukira kuti masankho a chaka chatha nakhala namba 3 ambiri anandivotera awo na Livingstonia Synod adzandivoteraso 2030. A moderator mu 1994 Malawi ngati dziko we chose one thing, kuti Malawi would be a God-fearing nation. Zimene tinkasankhira after 30 years of being a republic, to be a God-fearing nation, tinadziwa pokapoka tikakhalova Mulungu wakumwamba dziko likozakhala bwino likoza kumayenda bwino zambiri nkhani ija zinkayenda bwino ali ndinokondwa kuti General Assembly ya ulendo uno, as you are reviewing the work of Livingstonia Synod, you are reviewing it here, where the former founding president of this country established this place. Ndiye ndokuba kuti mukati the same values and ideals of the former president of this country, His Excellency Dr. Hastings Mzimana. Made a review how bringing forward as a nation in 1994, one of the cornerstones to carry and over Mulungu wakumwamba. It is high time as the Livingstonia Synod we reflect deeply. Is Malawi where we wanted to be 32 years after that pledge we took in 1994? It is a deep, soul-searching question. Tikapita ku Ulaya lero, anamada yabalu uKristu mbuyo, spiritual nations, ena nama yika bini pandalama yao. In God we trust. Lero, religion and Christianity has faded away. It's no longer the way that it used to be. Is Malawi going the same path? We need to reflect deeply and ask ourselves those questions. Is Malawi moving on a path that we chose to be in 1994? And I'm glad we are holding that review right here at Kamuzu Academy. In my own assessment and my own review, the country is going down spiritually. And yet, Livingstonia Synod and many other religious faiths are there. It's a deep question we must ask ourselves. Morally, this country is going down. We had a high moral ground in 1994 than we have it here. And we can learn from outside there, everything happening. Corruption-wise, the country is deeply entrenched in corruption today than it was 1994. And we can ask those questions around us. Unity and love. The country was more united than laughing in 1994. We are deeply divided and divisive today, political and otherwise. And those are some of the questions we may ask ourselves today as we reflect. Are we moving in the right path where we will not regret 10 years from now? But at the same time, because of Zifu Sasu, as we review, have seen the agenda, Palikani, Yema Punziro. When Mapunziratu, we end up, so they have retrogressed in terms of quality of education that we have. Today, a moderator in the Zanga, the foreground of one day, Ukana now, Pamkumano Meneo, Menemuguni, Kamene Chito, Yamping, Livingstonia, Kupita Chito Maimuno, Mutuni Keso, that it's Colose, what it's equal to be in the right path. Economically, politically, democratically, are things well is the country going in the right direction, or we need to change course in some of the areas. But those are the things, in my view, as you take a review of our nation, that you also look at those other elements. But as I come to the end of my few remarks, I want to congratulate the Synod for the successive AGM, but also for the 40th Assembly that you have. I also congratulate the peaceful elections, I'm told, that took place, and congratulations to all those that have been elected to various positions. As in UTM, we'll be happy to work with the leadership that is coming in, just as we have worked with leaderships before. We'll always be happy to work with the incoming leadership. When we pledge ourselves, to have a better Malawi in which mapunzirana to awenda bwino, mlatanzi twaziko linawenda bwino, chitukuko tsiko likutukuka lipita patsogolo, zonsezo ndizimene monga sompingo wa Livingstonia mumagwiramo ntchito muzonsezo ife tizakhala okondwera kugwira nanu ntchito. Congratulations for the AGM, congratulations for for the work that you are doing in Malawi. May God bless Livingstone Synod. Thank you so much, Moderate.
Kutumikika chifukwa cha mazdo awo munizomereze moderator ipo panyimbo iyi ndivafumbe Right Honorable Umar Hastings Kachari, former Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, kuti lamtauzani weneso dodana la Synod.
Yesu ni muwemi. Yesu ni muwemi. Yesu ni muwemi. Naonera panjani. Naonera paine na panjarani. Kamuli mbara. Naonera panjani. Naonera panjani. Modereta ine niliwino nakari. Sono kuyoya tamiyo iskana mkaya. Asinena. Chindi waimwe modereta. Veniso na ofisini yose. General Secretary, Veniso na chivirivino. Chindi Jomene, my former General Secretary, my former Moderator. My former Mutiugwa. Yona, the second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Eno Tiana, Dada Mzomera, na timu yenu. Your Excellency, the sixth President of the Republic of Malawi, and the former First Lady. Mazwano kutoka manambara, ini ni before. The fourth Republican Vice President, Kubo Gachari Nechuru. Moderator is Tamiyo iskana mkaya, gani panayohoya ya wakafika patari na mafupi Synod yose. Azinena. Kweni ya mauno gaviri moderator na Synod yose. Congratulations. Kuti mafuma mkaya masangana kuno mkasungu. Vindi vose vipenda makora. Zina la Yehova litumiki. Chachiviri moderator kwa imwe nami wakaya. General Secretary nami wakaya kweni patatari. Nikepu wazingana mapaliwa. General Secretary na Deputy kuti mawina masango cha kweni chiuta ndiye wampani mazaza nyimbo hii. Ichilondo wakumba ya kuti panyengo ya sono Yehova wampani nyengo ya kuti mutendeskele makora Synod yitu. Vakukana kwa imwe wa General Secretary na wachirinu kuwa na vimimbi za yai. Musino dinga vimbiza visowa. Vikuonekera patani. Tamiyo ya makora patafika kukaya. Uwana makutu wachitachi? Para moderator pambere mudawere. Nyengo so ya mara takani kari. Pambere mudawere pambere Synod yose indamare kutimwela na majere. Muniimbirepo agoba shani. Na agoba chale chinura. Agogo shani nyimbo 76. Agogo achale chinura nyimbo 281. Para munda niimbire kumajara waka nakumkinya ni kusinga. Yesu ni muwemi. Yesu ni muwemi. Moderator, tutaingia kocha tukuonana kabili namari anamkaya mama rongozi kiti mwangani kuti wa president wa Mtumani dada Kabambe ndipo muchitirenge ndena ndipo kwereni pachoko baka kukwera kwenecho 2060 mwana wako yeye tano auguswe anabrawa de Kristo.
Synod Moderator, sir, the Synod Assembly, Tamongani Right Honorable, for addressing the Synod Assembly. Ipo panyengwe Moderator Mwenezomerezge, Ibafumbe, His Excellency the former President of the Republic of Malawi, His Excellency Reverend Dr. Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera, to address the Synod Assembly. Thank you so much, Synod Moderator.
Chindi kwa imwe Moderator Reverend Dr. Mao Chindi Simwenerani General Secretary Dr. William Campbell, Honorable Dennis Otoka. All right. Yanakanzia Chihana. Imwe mwani President wa church. Honorable Kombo Gatari, former Vice President, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Simplex Chichola, and MPs, Mene Matsoko Zedwa, Alex Kono Wakuno, IUTM President, Dr. Daitso Kabambe, Galongozi wonse, Akoko, Akinyama, Chamatambe, mafumu wonse, atsogoleri mipingo yakasiyana-siyana amene simabwera kuchitongo ne tsiku la lero amene Livingstonia Synod of Livingstonia akumaliza 40th General Assembly. Mwingo wakene nakonza timawu ndithu tilamvule monga nakonzekera. It's an honor to stand before you on this very special occasion as as we celebrate the service of the outgoing leadership and congratulate the newly elected leadership of the Synod of Livingstonia. Your election is not merely recognition of your abilities, it is also a call to service, sacrifice, and spiritual leadership. Above all, it is a call to serve God's people and our nation with humility, integrity, and courage. Your theme, be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you always, could not be more appropriate. These words from Joshua 1 and 9 are both a command and a promise. God commanded Joshua to be strong and courageous because the responsibility before him was great, but also the assurance that was greater coming from him that gave him that challenge. It's important for new leadership of the Synod because the road ahead will not always be easy. Leadership requires wisdom, courage, patience, faith, and resilience. But if you remain faithful to God, remain seeking his wisdom, and put all the interests of his people before personal interests, you should never lose courage because you can always rely on God's help. He has also told us in Matthew 28 that he is going to be with you always. The church, therefore, was never called merely to occupy buildings on Sundays. We are grateful this hall has been sanctified today as a church hall, thanks to the first president, His Excellency Guasdo Edgecombe's Banda's vision to elect a school of this caliber that is hosting this congregation today. He was, by the way, our youngest body president,
Yes.
as well as the president of the nation for many years. The church is called to preach the gospel, heal, comfort, defend, justice, educate children, care for the vulnerable, and provide hope where there is despair. I therefore commend the Livingstonia Synod for the important role it has played and continues to play in this country. For many years, the Synod has played an important prophetic role as well in our nation. The prophetic church does not seek political power. It embodies the courage to speak truth to power, truth to society, and when necessary, truth to itself. The church must encourage leaders when they are doing well and challenge them when they are failing the people. It must remind leaders that public office is responsibility and not a personal possession, but reminding citizens that rights come with responsibilities. And above all, it must remind us that our ultimate accountability is to God. For this prophetic voice, I say, thank you. Even former leaders, secretary generals, and moderators, thank you. And I say to the new leadership, do not abandon what others have stood for in the past. Continue to speak with courage, but also with wisdom. Defend truth with humility. Promote justice, but never allow justice to become an instrument of hatred or revenge. The church must also remain a voice for those whose voices are weak: the poor, children, women, and men living in difficult circumstances, people with disabilities, the elderly, vulnerable families, and forgotten communities. This is what it means to live out the gospel beyond the pulpit. Be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you always. And one of the strengths of the Livingstonia Synod has been its holistic approach to ministry. A human being is not only a spiritual being. People also have physical, intellectual, and economic needs. And this understanding is reflected in the church's contribution to education, health, social services, youth development, and other areas of national life. A school does more than teach. It builds a foundation of future generations. A hospital does more than treat disease. It restores dignity and gives families hope. Youth programs help shape future leaders. Women's programs can empower families and communities. Men's programs can promote responsible fatherhood, integrity, and service. Therefore, the church's contribution to national development is not secondary. It is nation building. As you assume this responsibility, I ask the leadership and the membership of the Livingstonia Synod to continue praying for Malawi, pray for our leaders, pray for wisdom, peace, and unity. Pray for our farmers and workers, our children and young people, our economy, our schools, hospitals, and families struggling to put food on the table. Pray that Malawi becomes a nation where honesty and hard work are valued. But prayer must be accompanied by action. We cannot pray for honesty while tolerating corruption. We cannot pray for unity while promoting division. We cannot pray for prosperity while encouraging irresponsibility. We cannot pray for peace while leading or feeding hatred. Prayer should change our hearts, and transformed hearts should change our communities. Malawi faces serious challenges, including hunger and poverty. It is painful that a country blessed with fertile land, hard-working people, and considerable agricultural potential still has citizens who struggle for food. We must ask difficult questions. How do we strengthen agriculture? How do we improve productivity and reduce post-harvest losses? How do we give farmers better access to markets, finance, technology, and knowledge? The church can contribute not by becoming a political institution, but by modeling or mobilizing communities, promoting productive values, and encouraging practical solutions. I therefore encourage new leadership to instill a culture that values hard work, enterprise, innovation, saving, and responsible use of resources. Our young people need hope and opportunity. They must be taught not only to seek employment, but also to create opportunities. Be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you always. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to what I consider central message of this occasion. We must honestly acknowledge that the foundations of our economy, agriculture, national unity, and other critical areas of national life require rebuilding. The church understands the philosophy of foundations. Until the walls stand, no competent artisan can properly fix the windows and all of the things to do with modeling. We see this principle in God's creation. Genesis 1, God first established order, separating light from darkness, land from water, before creating living things. There's a lesson here for our nation. We must resist the temptation to prioritize short-term political targets over the long-term foundational work that will benefit present and future generations. The church must help citizens demand honest answers, however painful those answers may be, and develop the literacy and resilience to understand and support difficult paths of rebuilding. Otherwise, we risk moving in time-wasting circles, repeatedly seeking quick solutions without fixing the foundation. The church must guard against politics overlapping with and eventually overtaking every aspect of life. Politics has an important role in society, but it cannot become the only lens through which we see our country. Our churches and traditional institutions should not become extensions of political parties. Our families and our friendships should not be destroyed because we vote differently. National development must not stop every time political circumstances change. We must build institutions that are bigger than individuals and stronger than political parties. Our children should not grow up believing that success comes from political connections rather than hard work, or that public service is about personal enrichment rather than sacrifice. That is not the Malawi we should leave behind. So be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you always. Be strong when the truth is difficult to speak. Be courageous when the right thing is unpopular. Be humble when you succeed and patient when you face criticism. Listen to the people you serve and listen to the young. Listen to the elderly, listen to communities. And most importantly, listen to God. Let your leadership be characterized by unity, integrity, accountability, compassion, and service. Do not be afraid to dream of a better church. Do not be afraid to dream of a better Malawi. And do not be afraid to work for that Malawi. A stronger church can help build a stronger Malawi. As we celebrate this new chapter in the life of the Synod of Livingstonia, let us remember these words. Be strong and courageous. And remember the promise. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So to the new leadership of the Synod of Livingstonia, I once again extend heartfelt congratulations. May God give you wisdom, strength, courage, and humility. May he guide your footsteps as you serve his church in our beloved nation. May the Synod of Livingstonia continue to be a light to the people, a voice for the voiceless, a defender of truth and justice, and a faithful servant of God and Malawi. Be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you always. Pililani kuima bachukua. Pilizani kumikisi chachido kama usu. Amakanja antarudi Kristonia sino mungaji mwenye mara. Amakanja antu akukova sino darajmango. Amakanja antarudi sino masumamene. Antu otama kubiri kwa church kwa. Robote amaya mavuto asari gonjetse komari tutse nditi bonde dziko lathu kuchitapo kanthu kuonetsa kuti mavuto tathana tisadaine tima vanaona kuti Livingstone yasina kumjamwa ndikukatsene ripoti MCP isojamwa sinchoka bana sana wanilicheko gawa limodzi la pembo la olemekezeka kwa wajane nyimbo ya msani Mujindikani Yesu Mujindikani Yesu Mujindikani Yesu May God bless Synod of Livingstonia. May God bless Malawi, our beloved nation. Thank you for your attention.
Synod Moderator Son. Today it has to be a day of revival for the love of Malawi, for the love of each other. Our fathers, children became men. This time around, Reverend Moderator Son, it is with this pleasure kuti ndiwafumbe Right Honorable Enoch Chagofa Chahana mlongozi wa chama chibiri kuti vamtawazidani mumaro wa State President His Excellency Professor Peter Mutharika.
Chini kwa Synod Moderator Reverend Dr. Mwale, Synod DGS Vitu Dr. Tembo, the former President na former First Lady. For information, na Bongos. Ukamala mkula wa Bongos. Ukulaso former president kani yake makayovu. Former Chindi Mwenelelani, and it's very nice to see you. Honorable Dr. Daliso Kabambe, President wa UTM, muna Deputy Win wawili, Mtumbuka na Mzumala, and you have taken over the constituency in Mulekela. Mwenazo. Na Secretary Njeno, Dr. Marani Mtonga, Komaso Reverend Mzomera Kwira, I'm advisor wa Bwana on Parliamentary Affairs. Gogo Shinyama, Inuena Gadelani, Komasa Gogo Chwa Matambe, Gogo Wimbe, Ngati Mulipo, ni mafumunose Mulipa. All members of Parliament, Manoso mwana wanga jazi ya Wibomba, Dinose, Komaso, MP Adelalino, ule mwana. Ine ndaima pano, ikozo kule pera ulampula. Chifukwa I came to this place 50 years ago. Nabwela pano 50 years ago. And then His Excellency, the first President of the Republic, anabwela pano utaike maziko ozamanga Kamuzu Academy yomwe ali dream yawo ali kugwero prison. For your information, my sister, she's here, Kumbize Kandozo. My family, on my mother's side, is connected with family ya Kamuzu. Kamuzu akafika, anafikira kawenera kwali Chico Hotel. The first people amene Kamuzu atenga wakana ku Blantyre, unali mama Kazamira, Rose Kazoko. One of them was my mother. Mene mabwela pano 50 years ago, little did I know that one day Nizakala pano the second vice president, Komaso kuimira president, Nizara kula. Ndikunena ichi chifukwa chonena kuti amena madziwa mawa ni Mulungu. Pepani onambo kumbo kachali mwana nyapafe na Mkuluwani mwana kuwenja. Ndiye ka emotion kalipo chifukwa ndikumbukira mene navalira ntabwera pano navala kabudula. Komaso sabato I didn't have. The uniform ya kuchankanga ya yellow white. Koma kuzalwa kwa academy disaini today. Mulungu alipo. Ine zizanga la pano tasiyana. Chifukwa azangawa azira mkulira maiwo. Akabambe alankulanga ngati president wa UTM. A former president alankulanga ngati former president Komaso president wa Malawi Congress Party. Umainita tuniko. Ndio otumidwa wenegera mpazo makutumu. Amodareta kana yo chitubuka koma chifukwa natumidwa chichewa. Yo chichewa. A president wa Ntuma mchichewa. andituma kuti choyamba ndikuthokozeni asinodi ya Livingstonia chifukwa inu mumatimira ifandale komanso dziko spiritually komanso kunkhani ya maphunziro za education za agriculture zina ndi zina. Komanso ife andale tikamala kuitsa Livingstonia Synod sichedwa kufikapo kutilangiza mmene tingaendere. Chachiwiri anditumiza uthenga wa unity mmene so alankhulira former president komanso mmene alankhulira president wa UTM. Andufe timangokokana nthawi zina zake pandale koma titati tiyang'ane bwinobwino, we are connected. My brother Kabanga apa anali personal assistant wa bambo wanga Jakufa Chihana, mmene ali second vice president. Komanso kutakatenge school yake amene anamthandiza was my father. A president, former president, waine imatenga ngati apongozi anga komanso mayi chimozimozi. Ine ndi mayi kuchokera limodzi Burundi, iwowa khanga takwatira mwana wawo. Komanso President Dr. Banda atadwala, ine ndili mwana wang'ono amene anayimbidwa phone first kuti akampempherere President Dr. Banda. Analiowa amene anapita my stepfather akatola phiri nkuwatenga iwowa ndakaomba ukapempherera a former president.
Uneneso.
My sister Honorable Kumbo Chiponda Zugani akudziwe. Awa ndi family ya Dr. Banda. Awa ndine takulira limodzi uya wana. Akakhala pa mavuto ali osamanimbira inenso ndimayimbira. Koma we are in different political parties. Ziko. Munthu amene akanakhala wa Congress kwambiri ndikanakhala.
Mubwera.
Chifukwa ndakulira Malawi Congress Party with my stepfather ndikuidziwa bwino kwambiri. Komanso Congress inamba mnyumba mwako kuwanga kulinga kwa chief master. Uyo chazi yale hapo akudziwa bwino. Chifukwa chani kunena zimenezo? Pala chichola hapo onse kwa ine ndipo ubale. Koma chinzimu china chake chimangobwerapo kuti chambodikwanana dana. Satana muzitipempherera ine ndimanena kuti uyu sana muonepo Satana abwere mundani. Pepani Brian Kamwendo Jene Sogeta inakuwa na moderator ule mwana mau andituma a president ndionena kuti boma ligwiranani ntchito mmene akhalira maboma akumbuyo. Komanso asino boma mulidalire ifeso tikudalira. Pali ma projects ambiri amene boma lapanga plani ena kupitiriza ma project amene anasiya Dr. Lazarus Chakwera. Ife tipitiriza kuti timalize chifukwa izi zosiyana. Wina vinemo wina sa vinamo. Iwada vinamo lero tu vinamo ndi ndani ni mwadziko limakhalika. Ndiye ma project amene aja sanali ma project amene Congress Party omanali ma project a dziko omwe ife tipitiriza. One of the projects yomwe directly ni project ya Mumbera University yomwe within 2 months tiyamba kuimangaso yomwe taonjezerapo University of Mining. Komaso apart from the university chifani malo amene alingati bachire dakanzo kuti timangepo town bali bakhali chipatala masukulu ni zina. Imisewu ina ndina yomwe boma lilengeza kutsogolo. Komaliza kweni tukufunirani zabwino zonse komaso tifuna tipange congratulate inu mwatenga maudindo ifeyo ngati aboma kupempherera unity ya synod. A strong synod imatipangisaso ife chifukwa one of your members kukatawa. I'll be very happy kuona kuti synod you are united kuti ntchito zomwe magwira zipite patsogolo. Ndiye popeza ndifotumidwa ndinakali kana khandeka mteni mabwerera ndikalankhapo zanga koma simfuna nankhapo zanga koma kwa ine ndikufunireni zabwino zonse komanso tikamabwerera chifukwa choka kumalo osiyanasiyana ukaya kukambira kuchitipa kumisuku kose kunkhatape vanyake wafuna kulikoma mwende makola komaso chauta kudambilireni ise tikupemphereni dazi na dazi chaute awe namwe yewo chomene.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.